Hi everyone, I'm Judith, a third BSc Mathematics student. This is a video on the topic Development of Mathematics and its importance in growth of mankind. Without a further ado, let's dive into the video. Over 2000 years ago, the mathematician Euclid published a series of 13 books known as Elements. One important concept is the Euclidean algorithm, one of the first mathematical algorithms discovered. Euclidean algorithm calculates greatest common divisor of two numbers. It extends the field of cryptography. Cryptography is associated with the process of converting ordinary plain text into unintelligible text and vice versa. It is a method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form so that only those for whom it is intended can send and process it. Cryptography heavily involves number theory or the study of integers, which is why Euclidean algorithm has application in this field. Cryptography protects our passwords, credit card numbers, and any type of sensitive online information. In 17th century, calculus was introduced to the world, which would change maths and physics forever. Derivative tells us the change in some parameter with respect to another at again one specific instant. For example, if your speed is constantly changing, algebra can tell you the average speed, but calculus can tell you the exact speed at any moment in time. Motion of planets, how they change their speed throughout in the orbit, motion and behavior of electromagnetic waves are expressed through calculus. Calculus is used with economics and maximizing profit, chemistry and calculating diffusion rate, and so much more. In 1736, Leonhard Euler published a paper on the 7 bridges of Königsberg, from which graph theory started its journey. Graph theory has a wide range of applications. Dating sites use algorithms from graph theory to create best matches. Graphs in graph theory has vertices and edges to connect them. They are used to figure out the shortest path connecting two cities. Graph could represent how we are all connected through social media. You will be astonished to hear that graph theory is the backbone of Google. Along with graph theory, the field of topology was also introduced. Topology says that a donut and a coffee mug are the same thing. At its core, topology is about studying shapes that have properties that don't change no matter how we may bend or stretch them. Topology pops up in a few areas of biology, specifically molecular biology. The most apparent of them is in studying the shape of DNA. Topology has its applications not only in biology but also in robotics, computer, physics, etc. Group theory began in the early 1800s. Group theory is study of groups, and a group is a set of elements that along with some operation satisfy certain conditions. It gives us a lot of insight into the mathematics of symmetry. It is applied in manipulation of Rubik cube. It can be applied in public key cryptography. In 1822, Joseph Fourier, while working on his paper about heat flow, he discovered the Fourier transform. He determined that any function could be broken up into just a sum of sine and cosine functions. Communication is all based on mathematics. The communication includes automatic transmission of data over wires and radio circuits through signals. Cell phones are one of the most prominent communication devices. Our cell phones has performing Fourier transform. Besides cell phone, Fourier transform has wide range of applications such as in circuit analysis, signal analysis, image processing, etc. These are some discoveries, but there are much more discoveries in the field of mathematics which helped in the growth of mankind. This video ends here. Thank you for watching this video patiently.